We saw them in the semifinal match. Now they're inside the box. Can they come in? There's a cross in front of the net. Shot on goal by Duke, just over the crossbar to the right half of the field. Defense gets back for the Magic there, number 44, Brett Beebe. Earthquakes will get around. There's a shot to the net and a diving stop to his left by Victor Parada. There's been so much action, we don't want to miss anything. And again to the net, open net, and the score. The Earthquakes will strike first here, and they get on the board. Cross midfield just behind Dabrowski now has got it, number 75. A couple of red jerseys now with the left leg, takes that shot. Braden now wants to get out and run towards the corner. There's a cross, Dabrowski, number 75. Danny Rajalik Robinson there, number 64. Too many defenders there. And the red jerseys, now it's going to get past everyone. Victor comes out, and that ball into the back of the net. Did the flag go up here near side? Now I'm not sure if that goal is disallowed, if there's an offsides. And it is a goal. It is a score. And now they want to move inside to the back line. Can they get across? Rolls into the box. And let's see, we do get the whistle. As Daniel went down inside there, let's see where they placed the ball. Going one-on-one with the keeper, Daniel Dubiel. There's the kick, and it's going to go right past a diving Daniel Dubiel to his right side. All right, Victor in front of the net. He's set. There it comes on the ground. Victor deflects it away. Far side, and that ball is knocked into the back of the net. The angle on the far side for the Earthquakes, number 13, I believe. Here's his kick. Everybody streaks towards the net. In the box, high into the air on the header and over the crossbar. On the ground, too. Parada, a nice shot. Earthquakes on the move, trying to get into that defensive third for the Magic. Shot to the net here on the near side, off of Victor, and he's able to rebound and get right back to it and make the save. Inside the box, here on the near side, shot to the net, right off Victor Parada. Right off his fingertips. I believe it was off his fingertips. If to the right half, but it's taken there by the Earthquakes. They're across midfield now. Can they get an angle here on the near side? Shot to the net on the side of the net. Goal kick for the Magic. High into the air, into the box. They get the header, number 29, to the back line, and Victor is there. Number 29, Nicolas Salas. It's a tricky one from that far corner because of the wind. Here comes the kick. Up into the air, nicely in front of the box. They get the header, and that ball will go just wide of the far post. Just wide. There's the kick. That's a nice one right there. 75, and the shot will find the back of the net on the second attempt. And so the quarter kick works.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Soccer Loco San Diego Surf Cup Award ceremony. And we would like to present your trophies and your medals today. And we would first like to bring up our fabulous finalists, Chicago Magic. Over here, sorry. Okay, and Joe, would you like to come on up? Present your team with their medals.
I want to thank the parents for making the trip with us. It's been a long weekend, a lot of games, a lot of time. I just want to say thank you to obviously our club organization, but also the parents. Boys played well. Pick your heads up. Congratulations to you guys. Well done. Good game. Any day. We'd love to play you again, no doubt. Okay?
Or G. There you go, Joe. Coach. Coach. Coach.
Brandon.
No, he's not down.
Daniel.
Where's Daniel? There we go, Daniel.
Dylan. Jose.
Mendoza.
Donato. Ben. Ethan. Dombrowski. Johnny.
No.
Bryce. Phoebe.
BB. There you go, Boots.
Allie, would you like one?
Yeah.
Come on, Allie. Yay. Thank you. Eric.
Okay, now we would like to bring up Dana to present the championship trophies to her team, San Jose Earthquakes.
First of all, I'd like to thank the organization. Thank you for a great tournament. Magic, you got farther to go than we do, actually. Safe trip, great final. Just a battle. That's the way it should be in the final. So our guys, hey, you've only been a team together for 14 months. I am so proud of you to come down here. Come on.
don't you guys come on up and accept your finalist trophy? Come on up. Raise it high. Come on, guys. Come on, lift it up. Woohoo! There we go. Fantastic. All right, I guess we're gonna just let him go off into the thing. Okay, guys, come on, champions, come on up, get your trophy. And don't forget your championship jacket. Thank you, Nike, and thank you, Soccer Surf Cup.
In the middle's here in my way. I gotta shoot from back here, okay? There we go. We want to see you, man.
Isaiah, close here to Derek.